I feel like these buns make me look like Young Barbecue. Y'all know who Young Barbecue is on Instagram? She be dancing, break dancing and stuff. She be like,
ooh, represent the crew with Cymone.
what is up, Kid Killers? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In today's video, I'm coming to y'all with something a little different. I've never done anything like this on my channel before, but I wanted to do a little experiment with Mr. Fendi. As you guys can see, I put a GoPro on Fendi's back, and basically what I plan to do is I'm going to leave Fendi here alone by himself for about 30 minutes because I only have about 30 minutes of memory left on the camera. And basically we're gonna get to see what Fendi does while I'm gone. I've always wanted to know, like, what do dogs really do when nobody's at home? Like, do they just go to sleep? Do they, I don't know, like, what do they do? I'm gonna leave Fendi out to literally roam around the entire house. I made sure there's nothing that he can get into. So I closed off my filming room so he can't like get into any cords or anything. I have a gate by my stairs. And usually when I go places, I'll close the gate so Fendi can't go upstairs since I have carpet up there. But I'm gonna allow him to be able to roam around upstairs. I'm about to head out and we'll be back. Me and you both are about to witness what Fendi does while I'm gone. Let's go, y'all. All right, y'all, so before I leave Fendi alone, I got some turkey. I looked up on Google, like, what human foods can dogs eat that aren't poisonous or anything, and they said that turkey with no seasoning or anything on it is okay. So I'm actually gonna leave this out when I leave to see if he eats it. I also, whenever I clean up, I usually just put all his toys in his little bed thing, but I'm actually gonna spread them out so that he can see them and maybe he'll play with them while I'm gone. Oh, my bad. Where's his girlfriend at? Oh, here go his girlfriend, y'all. Ew. This is his girlfriend. And this is his side chick. She a little toe up. Look. Okay. All right, y'all, so one last thing that I want to do is put on some dog cartoons on the TV to see if Fendi actually watches them, because y'all can call me crazy, dog moms know what's up. I put on dog cartoons just because I be feeling bad when I have to leave him home sometimes, so I'll put on dog cartoons. So I'm about to put this on to see if he actually watches it while I'm gone. One last thing that I just decided to do, y'all. Fendi likes to take my cups off of the coffee table sometimes, y'all, and literally try to drink it. So I'm about to leave this right here. He's smart, so since it's clear, he knows it's water. But watch this. I'm about to add like literally just a droplet. We're gonna see if he touches this while I'm gone. You ready to go? Sight, not this time. I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. See you later.
2,000 years later. A few moments later.
Hey! Hi, boo-boo! Hey! You been watching TV? What you been doing in here? Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and close out this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoyed seeing Mr. Finster. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if y'all want to see some more videos like this with Fendi. I got some good ideas, so if y'all feeling the whole dog videos, then let me know because I can do some more. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I always shout y'all out on my story whenever y'all repost my videos, whether you're watching it from your TV or on your phone or laptop, whatever. If you record yourself watching my videos and tag me on Instagram, I always repost. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, King Killers. Mwah.
A true winner.